Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. This is Vidhika, your law faculty, mentor and guide at iExamB. Today in this video, I have come up with a new recruitment, new notification by Agriculture Insurance Company India Limited, which has announced management trainees in the legal discipline. We'll have a discussion about what all is present in this notification, what is the exam pattern, what is the eligibility criteria. Subscribe to our channel to get information relating to any upcoming notifications, any new exams as early as possible. Also, you can write to us at hello@iexamp.com for any of your queries, and you can also call us on this number which is mentioned on the screen. So moving on with the video, Agriculture Insurance Company of India Limited has announced 30 vacancies for management trainees in the discipline of agriculture sciences, information technology, legal and accounts. As of now, we don't know the bifurcation in all these four disciplines, how much vacancies are there in legal, but in all there are 30 management trainee vacancies. The online registration starts from 23rd of November to 13th of December, and the online examination is expected to be held in January 2022. So in January you have a lot of exams. IBPS SO Law Officer Mains is also in January. Then Central Bank of India Scale 2 Law Officer exam is also in January, and this exam is also expected to be conducted in the month of January. As we have seen again and again, in total there are 30 vacancies, and this is the division in the various categories. Moving on, what is the eligibility criteria? So in legal, you should be a graduate in law with 60% marks, which are 55% for SC or ST, or you can have a post graduation in law with 60% marks. So this is your eligibility criteria. Looking at the service conditions, the training period for the management trainees will be for a period of 2 years. The trainee shall be eligible for the post of administrative officer scale 1 on the completion of training period and subject to satisfactory work performance. Interview or interaction or any other criteria will be decided by the company. So when you join as a management trainee for a period of 2 years, you will be on probation, and after that you will be eligible for the post of administrative officer. The management trainee absorbed as scale 1 officer after completion of training period will be treated on par with the direct recruit officer in scale 1 and will be on probation for a period of 1 year from the date of absorption. This probation period can further be extended to 6 months. Another of the service condition is, after being absorbed in scale 1, before joining as probationer, you will be required to give an undertaking cum guarantee bond to serve the company for a minimum period of 4 years. So this is after being absorbed, you have to sign a bond that you will serve the company for a minimum of 4 years, including the probation period. Now, what is the exam pattern? So the selection procedure shall be on the basis of shortlisting of candidates based on online exam and interview, for which the total marks will be 200. So online examination will be there, which is of 150 marks, 2.5 hours duration, and then there will be interview of 50 marks. The minimum qualifying marks in the online examination is 60% for general, OBC and EWS, and 55% for SC and ST. So this is the exam pattern. Looking at the divisions, what all will come in your exam, there will be reasoning section of 25 marks in which there will be 25 questions, then English language of 20 marks in which there will be 20 questions, general awareness 20 marks, 20 questions. Then there is quantitative aptitude and computer literacy, 25 questions of 25 marks. And then there is professional test, that is your law, to assess technical and professional knowledge in the relevant discipline, 35 marks, 35 questions. And at the end, you also have a descriptive section here. You will have to give a descriptive English test in which you will have essay, précis and comprehension, which is of 25 marks. The number of questions will be 3. 1 essay, 1 précis and 1 comprehension, for which you will be given 45 minutes. So there is sectional timing as well. For the first 4 parts, for reasoning, English, general awareness and quant plus computer, you will be allotted 75 minutes for about 90 questions. And then you will be given 30 minutes for your professional knowledge for 35 questions and 45 minutes for descriptive English. The salary and allowance that is mentioned in the notification is that the selected candidates would be paid a consolidated pay of rupees 40,000 per month for the first year and 42,500 per month for the second year. So right at the time of joining, you will get 40,000 per month. iExamB is soon planning to come out with this course to help you prepare for this exam. If you are interested, do drop your name, do drop your details in the Google form which is attached in the description below. If you have any query with respect to this exam or any other upcoming exam, IBPS SO law, SEBI legal, Central Bank of India law, you can write to us at hello@iexamb.com, or you can also write in the comment box below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.